I am hosting another workshop, Harvest Your Journals. And this workshop is coming from my process of wanting a prompt, a system to take the messy, random notes in my journals and actually have Claude AI help me organize it, pull out the gems so that I can quickly move the content from my journals into specific book projects, into a specific filing system. So July 30th, I will be pulling back the curtain and sharing with you exactly my prompt, as well as how you could build your prompt. And then I'll be sharing my system so you can actually see my system in practice. There'll be a live Q&A at the end, and I'm still finalizing the workshop details, but my goal is to show you my process, teach you my process, and then have some time for you to actually try it with your own journals, with your own writing. It has been a game changer in feeling like my ideas and my journals are no longer just buried and archived, and that buzzing in the back of my brain that knows that I have gold in my journals, but just not having the mental bandwidth or the time to pull it out. And so having this simple system with Claude to get it out and very easily get it into my working documents so that those ideas become a book, become a workshop, become a post or an email.